All right, another bright and sunny day. Another way to ruin all my video and my photographs. Someday I'm gonna start looking for shade, cloudy days before I come out. Anyway, let's check this out. This was already existing in these new steps. Got the boulder wall around here. Look at that waterfall. Little pea gravel seating area here. Bunch of rock work around the edges. Got steps going in. Don't worry, I'm gonna get in there shortly. Got the fishies. They just moved into their new home, so they're still scared. I'm gonna go get in and walk around for a little bit, see if I can't get some good pics and photos of them. Cool off while I'm in there because it's about 95 degrees out today. Let's check it out. Another day at the office for me. How about it? Check out that waterfall.
If you do, please say